we're going to bring in another component that feels really relevant of how to hold a safe, sacred space for people who are having a hard time in their life. And it could even be you holding a safe, sacred space, you soul rider, for your body that might be having a hard time. Or your body holding a safe, sacred space for you, soul rider, if you're going through a hard time. And I'm just going to look. Okay. A few concepts, perspectives to feel into, hold when you are witnessing someone who is going through a hard time. You can do this with your body. Your body can do this with you, soul rider. You can do this with anyone in your life. You could even do it at a mass consciousness humanity level. So the very first step is you always want to pull yourself into your inner river of light, divine line. And take a moment right now to think about someone in your life that you do care about who's going through a hard time. And as you think about them going through a hard time, think of one positive quality they hold deep in their core. Maybe it's courage, maybe it's a positive attitude, maybe it's kindness, maybe it's strength. What is one positive thing? And if it's your body, what is one positive thing, energy that your body holds inside itself? And then as you think about that positive quality, invite some energetic aspect of you on a higher floor to connect with them at the level of their higher selves and to witness that positive quality. You might even out loud or silently say to them, "You are so," and then you name the quality. "You are so strong. You are so courageous. You are so kind." And how could you lean into that quality, this beautiful positive quality you have inside yourself? How could you lean into it more and use this positive quality to help you through your hard time? We can't take the hard time away. We can't fix the hard time. The hard time is there for a process. They've created it. And so we don't want to disempower people by waving the magic wand and making it go away, because if we do that, they're going to create another moment, another hard time. They're after something. And so you get to hold a safe space, witness a positive quality about them in a higher realm, imagination station, encourage and invite them to lean into that quality, to use that quality that flows within them as a way of sustaining them, supporting them as they go through this process. And then you could even silently say to them, and what would it feel like to amplify that supportive quality inside yourself more, 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 so that this supportive quality takes you through this process with grace and ease. And then again, you're witnessing their capacity. You're not taking responsibility. You're not attached to their journey. They get to be attached and responsible for their own journey to the degree that they choose. You keep clear of empathic sensitivity because you don't take the attachment or the responsibility. And you are holding this beautiful, safe, sacred space, witnessing something positive about them, a wisdom, a mastery, and then they awaken to it more. And then they use the hard time, perhaps, as an enlightenment moment, as a moment to shift, change, transform in the way in which they desire. Oh, you stay clean and clear. As you hold your energy and awareness in your line, just take a moment to feel into what was an aspect, a piece, something that shifted inside you that felt supportive in this session. It might have been a slight shift in a perspective. It might have been an expansiveness, using a fuel, an emotion to change, to transform. And as you bring in that reflection, now take a moment to recognize that you are on a journey of awakening more to your light, utilizing the light that flows within you, lifting the weight off of the outer world, the outer struggles, as your mechanism for evolving. You're placing more of your weight on your line of light, which then makes the journey 1,000 times easier. We ask for a balancing and a stabilizing of your fields. We ask that you're wrapped in sheets of rainbow light, gently sealing these vibrations in to whatever degree is appropriate for your spiritual evolutionary state. And let it be so. Oh. Good work, everyone.